the better for it's cool. Me and you can bring a friend or two.
I wanna rock with you, anything you want me to do to you, anywhere you wish I'm cool.
Last week, among gipaila-ila ninyo ang nagpasikat sa kantang Itsumo. Let's get to know more about hip-hop royalty featuring Mobstar. This is Yanix and this is Musika Cebu.
This is brought to you by 8 Thumbs Productions in partnership with Sound Balloon Entertainment, Prestige Cebu, and Kalye Musica. Sponsored by Koa Treehouse, Colt 45, and Azul's to Slow Boa Experience.
Two is a crowd, three is a company, there's a party in my mouth. Everybody's coming and I just can't get enough. Let's go crazy, let's go eight, cause I wanna play rough. I want ya, you want me, you want her, she wants me. I want him, he wants me. I want y'all all over me. Because I want some two, some three, some four. 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 Now give me some more. Give me some more.
Here we go.
One is enough, and two is too much. Three is a poison, then you killed me with lust. They can call it murder or a killing spree. Let's go wild, let's go dirty. You can call me a freak. I want ya, you want me, you want her, she wants me. I want him, he wants me. I want ya all over me. Because I want some two, some three, some four. 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 Now give me some more. Give me some more. Give me some more. Give me some more. Now give me some more. Give me some more.
Two, three, four.
Kini, ambot murag, permi naman gyud siya ni ng pangutanan niyo, pero unsa mo gyud naa ng Itsumo nga kanta?
Giapas raman to siya sa first album.
Di, para sa mga wakabalo mo, to amo ang very first nationwide na hit. Mo to phenomenal hit na.
Oh, grabe sa gid to na. Grabe.
Gay na mo, tanan na mong kuan.
Whatever.
Nakakaroon.
Ano say naaron. Salamat atong kanta.
Giapas na to siya sa album. First kay, katong naaman to yung song dito nga na-sample. And then kung i-release ni mo, kinanglan man to ni mo viral.
Naghatag binilag among album kami ni K9. Ginahan sila. The problem was nice song dito na ay gitara sa Fast Car ni Tracy Chapman. So since hindi mas sila ka-afford og bayad sa Tracy sa rights sa Tracy Chapman. So ilang ipatangtang niya. Listen yung lain. So actually itong kantahan mga 15 minutes ra jud ta namo gibuhat.
While gabuhat mo unsay naa sa inyo tubangan gitara, piano or sa
kuan na to na ang keyboard na FYI, trivia. Ang Itsumo, ang plano jud ato, kadungog ko ng kanta na one-on-one gani, one-on-one ana. So gusto na ko Holland Oates. So ko kana atong gamiton para ilisan lang nato atong balion gamay. Kay ganahan ko sa baseline. Mo to yung kung inyong paminawan ng baseline sa Itsumo ug katong one-on-one pareho sila. So mo to siya. Then nataghapan ni K9 og bislit sa key na murag hapon ba. Mo to mga panahon na hilig man kay mi atong mga hentay ba. Hapon. Sig tanaw ni hentay nindot ba.
Unsa man hentay?
Kada kung kanang kanina pa kadiha bag sig paabot ba sig hentay.
Ano siya?
Mo to murag subconsciously lang ni K9 ba na nindot lagi to na tono nya. Suwata na mo lyrics nya. Timing sa gato na misilingan nato na Chapayuki ba. I-translate ra good ni good para mas nindot ba hapon. So mo to trivia sad ang translation nato medyo sayop kay mo suwat gyud kag hinapon bali man na sila. So yang gi-translate among English kanang literal ba word per word. So kung maminaw hapon nato wa jud nakasabot sila hang taka ra mo istorya.
Barok nga pagkastorya daw, sayop daw.
Murag grammar to.
Oo, ana ba. Pero wala sa na wala dami ba ni click siya. Ya
Wa mo ga-expect gid.
Wala jud mo expect.
Nagbutang pa magay mig name ato nga kuan kanang as if daw kanang naay exchange student na hapon. Bubita tong butang Sachi Wichiro.
Kung mangita mo sa original na CD ato na featuring Sachi Wichiro kay kunuhay nami hapon na amiga. Namakak mi ato sa mga
hapon nga rong grammar.
Sa mga sa tanan tawa ato.
Nga authentic siya nga hapon ba.
Take him back.
Way back. Just call me firstborn, you're my first love and my first kiss from above. And I don't care if you don't give love back, cause in my heart is where your ass is at. I love your eyes, your nose and your tender lips. Wanna kiss your neck, your shoulder to your fingertips. I go crazy when you shake those sexy hips. Baby girl, you're the one I can't resist. You know I love you from the very start. I don't care if you break my heart. I'm the man and I'm here for you.
That's right.
Believe me, cause my love is true.
I see.
いつも心へ不死つか誰かとまた恋に落ちてもいつも心でやろういつもあなただけの場所がある
You wanna get down with K-N-I-N-E. Make sure that's pure L-O-V-E. But never talk about the I-C-E, cause I only got my H-E-A-R-T. For
Y-O-U.
I can't pay the bills for dinner, I just give them my I-O-U for show. I'm not after F-U-C-K, got no B-A-D intentions, don't wanna play, girl. Maybe you might spot a UFO. Wait, that's not part of the rhyme, just felt like saying so. You gotta know that I love you from the start till F-O-R-E-V-E-R. What?
いつも心へ不死つか誰かとまた恋に落ちてもいつも心でやろういつもあなただけの場所があるから
Baby girl, be my first lady. Be the mom of my first baby.
That's right.
You didn't like me when you first saw me, but I'll be gentle, I'll do you slowly.
Girl, I think it's better if you was with me. I got dough, cause I just want to spelling bee for you. I got all the T-I-M-E. Ask mommies to pass, but I'm not so sure. Just doing my own thing. It's more expensive than your fancy gold ring. I don't mean dissing, but I got to go there. Mommies don't care. All for them ladies, even chicks with nose rings.
いつも心へ不死つか誰かとまた恋に落ちても
Go China.
いつも心へ欲しいとか誰かとまた恋に落ちても
What?
いつも心ねやろいつもあなただけの場所があるから
Yep.
Mobstar. 6,000 goons.
We got Garvey in the house. I see, and yours truly, Acid Dice. And this is a very, very old song. I feel so old right now.
Future plans sa Mobstar.
Kanina na mo na figure out ang future plan. Katong nagkuhan mi. Say future plan.
Mangita gibig ka ng lahi gyud nga sound ba. Nga incorporate gyapon na mo sa genre nga among love, which is hip hop.
Hip hop.
Mo ginainandan sa Mobstar nga every album lahi gyud na sa mag-una gyud na sila permi. Di gyud na palkansi. So hopefully maka-contribute po ko na. Wala na mi ga dahom man ng kwarta, sikat, ang amo lang hopefully maka-express mig tarong sa mong craft ba.
Ayun lang tarunga. Di ba presitso mo ba?
Di nila sinisuon ba?
Managhap na lang tanong. May pa. Walay pressure kayo ron di preto sa una na na-sign mig label ba na ay mga demands ba na. O sige, sign na mo meron. The pay is good. Dako jud kay bayad. Diba?
Pero at the end of the day, mura na mag-siya work.
Trabaho na ba?
Wala nang lingaw.
Nawa lingaw ba na kinanglang ka mo to karigani sa usa ka semana, way pahuway, sa usa ka adlaw, tulo ka gig. Nindot siya kay lingaw man pero moabot naman ng point good na mura na naman trabaho.
Routine na kayo, no?
Routine na ba? Dito mig Subic ba to or Cavite? Nya ingon ko good evening Davao.
Ang mga nicknames sa mall, sayop na.
Masayop na. Kasuway mi anang sa usa ka adlaw Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao imong tukaran. Nga na ba? Lingaw siya kay sa karon marag imo na lang hinumduman pero katon na time mo na toy marag mag-away na mi kay marag.
Puros init ulo.
Touchy na kayo kanang marag wala na tarong tug and nawa na ba di na mi kahimog kanta kay nawa na mi sa mong comfort zone which is Cebu. Dito na mo na realize na makanimot tatag tarong na kanta, maka-reinvent ta permi sa tong mga music kunato Cebu kay surrounded ta sa atong mga amigo, mga kabanda sa una ba. Dili ka ma-limited gani sa sound na imong ma-produce kay maminaw kag Spoons, maminaw kag Junior Kilat na kay makuha ba na element na from that ba. Yan na maragdaghang makatunan ba kung nami sa mong comfort zone and walay pressure na himo mog Tagalog or pugson mo
laing hinapon.
Pwede mo mahimog iba namang Korean. Japanese song ba. Basta naagog ka sa mainstream na area kanang sa label. You have to please everybody. So, compromise juga. Mabot pa to sa point na hasta mo sulubon. Pwede mo i-ani niya. Pwede dili niyo ipahibaw sa mga tao na minyo mo. Nya pwede mong edad kay ani ra 23 hantod sa
ganung
kay ilangon na good mo shy away kuno imong market kay kung may bawaan nila na minyo mo or may bawaan nila na ingani mong edad basi mawa ka mo. Unsa ta cartoons di mo tiguwang murag si Bart Simpson karon nga.
Sobrang sa ganang mangilad kas edad.
Ano ba? Sa mga wala kabalo, mga batanon, gihimuan patag life story katong sa magpakailanman. Nga sila na ihatag sa script murag baguro ta nakita ka ba na ka sa mga storya murag di mo good di pwede mamakak sa mga Cebuano good murag. Ilisa na yung story kay ang amo adjud. Future mo na himo gyapon mig music.
And we might do some other, mo enter mig sila nga form of entertainment because we have
mag-artista sila
doing movies.
Di karon marag nakakita na good mi sa potential with the help of
lingaw lang ba?
With the help of technology. Dali namang good na pwede nimong buhaton na ikaw ra na di na ka mananghid ba. Oo, sure na. Di karon marag suway na mo. Suway sa tag-acting bigay. Marag may na lang na ba maniguang ka ba marag imong lolo sa una.
No pressure. So, pwede mo buhaton whatever makes you happy or may enjoy ka. Diba?
I got what you want, boy, I got what you need. If you wanna get some loving, boy, you gotta do the deed. And he say, yeah, 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 yeah. No one got you crazy, and you know I'm good for you. You can keep it going, baby, now until the night is through. If you're sexy and you know it, then it's best for us to show it. Just feel sexy and you know it, so just let your body say. Get that ass down on the floor, throw the drama out the door. Let the DJ spin the record, come on boy and show me more. I got what you want, I got what you need. If you wanna get some loving, boy, you gotta do the deed. Let me hear you say. I got what you want, boy, I got what you need. If you wanna get some loving, boy, you gotta do the deed. Let me hear you say. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. I know I can't freaky, all the things I can do to you. You mean everything, baby, that is too good to be true. So sexy and you know it, then it's nice for you to show it. Just go sex me and let's do it. So just let your body say, get that ass on the floor, throw the clothes out of the door. Let this moment last forever. Come on, boy, and show me more. I got what you want, boy, I got what you need. If you wanna get some loving, boy, you gotta do the deed. Let me hear you say, yeah, 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 yeah. I got what you want, boy, I got what you need. If you wanna get some loving, boy, you gotta do the deed. Let me hear you say, yeah, 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 yeah.
Where all my party people at? The motherfucking building. You ready for your DJ? Let me hear you make some noise. Listen to the speakers go.
Here we go. I see.
I got what you want, boy, I got what you need. If you wanna get some loving, boy, you gotta do the deed. Let me hear you say, yeah, 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 yeah. I got what you want, boy, I got what you need. If you wanna get some loving, boy, you gotta do the deed. Let me hear you say, yeah, 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 yeah.
Thank you kayo sa atong bisita karon ang Mobstar. Salamat ninyo.
Salamat
Thank you, sir.
kayo.
Salamat po.
Salamat sa tuslubo. Salamat
Pagawas mo
kay.
pulong.
Salamat sa day kay yan kay sa every time na ami buhatong mga ginagmay event para sa hip hop. Suporta jud si Yanix Sound Balloon. Diba? So,
tanan klase ko problema.
Tanan mahal. Pila na ka music video na naab jud si Ayan. Jud si Yanix dito duha siguro tulo.
Apil-apilon kayo. Katong sa leader niyo apil ako.
Oo, sure na. Kana sure jud na. Kana kay kinanglan.
Leader ka school to.
Ay mo gihatag ang plot boy. Wala. Trademark.
For updates, please visit lang among Facebook, search Dyson K9 Mobstar, or my personal pages, Facebook search High C, Twitter, Instagram, or YouTube.
Kita mong mga sexy kay nga mga picture niya.
Yes.
I-grab lang ninyo, i-download ninyo.
And if you want a party, please do drop by Clubholic. It's at the second floor of Mango Square Mall.
Daghan sa kay mga sexy dito.
Yes, of course.
Add me on Facebook. Garvey Enage. Garvie Enage. Basta makauyon ko, i-accept na ko mo.
Kinanglan namin mga Boracay pic kay para mailham na okay.
Kana mo man
Uy,
Public daan ninyong pics para masusi na to daan. Oh.
sa akong page Dice or visit my SoundCloud para maka-update mo sa bagong mga sound. soundcloud.com/acidice ACIDICE Acidice.
Isa ra ka di.
Usara ka di.
Usara ka di.
Acid Dice.
And atangin ninyo tanang projects namong buhaton, music videos, songs, movies.
Speaking of video, sa YouTube naman na channel, i-type lang Mobstar, MOBBSTARR or Dyson K9 or High C or type lang 6,000 Goons.
With
Goons
a Z.
with a Z. Magawas na tanang mga artists sa 6,000 Goons. Para makabawa man na napay mga laing hip-hop artists there is.
Google our crew.
Or if you want to for collaboration, we're very much open and I also produce for other artists. So, suporta, tinuod na suporta
Tinabangay.
And thank you so much for having us. Thank you, Musica Cebu. Thank you, Yan.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Yan.
You're my fantasy, you're my gravity. Pull me closer, distort my sanity. You're my fantasy, you're my gravity. Pull me closer, distort my sanity. I dream of you every day, every night, all the way. I dream of you every day, every night, all the way. I dream of you every day, every night, all the way. I dream of you every day, every night, all the way. I'm holding on to every second I'm with you. Living this fantasy where my dreams come true. Being with you is what I think of all the time. Can't hardly wait for the day you'll be mine. I dream of you every day, every night, all the way. I dream of you every day, every night, all the way. I dream of you every day, every night, all the way. I dream of you every day, every night, all the way. You're my fantasy, you're my gravity. You pull me closer, distort my sanity. You're my fantasy, you're my gravity. You pull me closer, distort my sanity. You're my fantasy, you're my gravity. You pull me closer, distort my sanity. You're my fantasy, you're my gravity. You pull me closer, distort my sanity.
So mao to ang Mobstar. Dagan sa nakatunan silang genre, no? Ayaw dyan ninyo kalimti og support ang Cebuano music because Cebu is music and music is Cebu. This has been your host, Yanix, and see you next time only here in Musica Cebu.
This is brought to you by 8 Thumbs Productions in partnership with Sound Balloon Entertainment, Prestige Cebu, and Kalye Musica. Sponsored by Koa Treehouse, Colt 45, and Azul's Tus Lub Boa Experience.